So this level is about a 3-step grace notes. We've been doing 2-step grace notes that included just 2 notes gracing. So if you notice what I just did, is these 2 notes that are gracing, this is just harmonizing, this is not involved in the step. So altogether there are just 2 steps in this grace note. That's 1, 2. But in this level we are doing 3-step grace notes. The same set of fingers, your 1, 4, 5 fingers, but then it will be 3-step. Watch me. It is like this. That's so re mi, but you are doing it very fast. You see that? Or if you want to do la re mi, can also be your 1, 4, 5 fingers. So a song like this will be. You see that? La re mi quickly. That's it. Go back to the. You see. So basically, like you are drawing it. So that's it. And when you hit it, your middle finger raises up at the end of the day, but your first and last stays. So, can you see that? The movement starts from your wrist. Watch my wrist. Forget about my hand. See the way my wrist moves. So it's not you just staying in one place doing it like this. Your wrist has to support your finger. Like a wave. You have to get that movement. Okay, that's for this level. Keep practicing that and you can apply it to different songs and see you in the next level.